The next part of analyzing the loaded images is moving object detection. In order to do that, all you have to do is click on this red icon besides the data reduction icon. Again, you will observe that a small dialog box has appeared. Without altering any of the details or features in this dialog box, click on OK. The software will start its analysis. Again, note that when the software is analyzing, do not fiddle with anything on the software. This step takes a little bit longer than the data reduction step, so you will have to be patient. Once the analysis is complete, you will observe that there are two dialog boxes which has appeared. Close both the dialog boxes